is fresh.
Is that my new tablet?
Here you go. The tablet is here.
Open it.
There's only so much holding on. You can.
So this is a big bag of turkey. Right. So yeah, this is like 5 kg. So this is 5 kg of turkey. Hi guys, so I've got my 5 kg, right? I think it's 5 kg, 5 kg of turkey here. So we went to African store today. We bought a lot of things in African store. We bought items. What that should be, is it 85 or 95? They're about either 85 or 95 pounds. And you guys, I've been very busy since today. I had work training, e-learning that I was doing, so I didn't have time to do the unboxing. I just shoved everything in the freezer. But I didn't put this turkey in the freezer because it's big, so I need to portion it before putting it in my freezer. So yeah, let's portion it now and put it in the freezer so that it will be easier for me when I want to eat. I'll just grab one bag, one small bag, 2 small bags, and cook whatever thing I want to cook. Okay, so yeah, come on, let's pack our turkey. So I have my Ziploc bags here. I'll be using 1, 2 Ziploc bags to section them. So guys, the thing is, if I put this turkey in the freezer, like I won't even be able to see. It's still kind of frozen now. This is like how many hours now? We got back from the African store at about 2-ish. No, we got back from the African store at about 1, and this is 10 p.m. It's still this frozen. So I just put like 6 or 7 in a bag. So this is how I portion my turkey, my meat, my chicken, any of these stuff like I like to portion them for easy use, because these things, when they get frozen, sometimes you have to wait like 4 hours, 5 hours, or even more. I mean, I don't have that time. Nah. I ain't got such time to wait, so it's better I do it now. So this 5 kg turkey, it was sold for I think 24 pounds, either 24 pounds or 25 pounds. I'm not sure, either 24 or 25, yeah. So yeah, as you guys can see, I have 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's good. So I'll pack them now inside the freezer, and I think it's much easier this way. If I want to cook, I just grab one bag, cook whatever thing I want to cook, and not waiting for hours. So yeah. So why I'm putting it in this blue bag is for me to know that it's just turkey that is in this blue bag, because I have other protein in my freezer. I have pomo, I have shaki, I have chicken, I have goat meat. So this is my bag of turkey. Like I was saying, I have other meats here. So between the got in Africa, this is beef. You guys, this is a lot. This one is pomo. This one is chicken. This is gizzard. This is, I think, liver. It's a lot. I can't start bringing all these things out. Let me just pack this one back. It's frozen. one is mackerel fish. It's straight in here. Mackerel fish. Put this stuff down. These things are cold. Freezing cold. God. This one is frozen water leaf. Water leaf. Water leaf. So this is the frozen water leaf. I saw ugu. So I saw fresh ugu leaf and I was like, it's giving vegetable soup. And they didn't have fresh water leaf, so I bought the frozen water leaf, but I bought the fresh ugu. Let me show you guys. So yeah, this is the fresh ugu leaves I bought. Fresh and fresh. It's fresh. It's giving fresh ugu vibes. Vegetable soup loaded. So guys, when I bought this ugu leaf, I was looking for water leaf because immediately I saw this ugu leaf vegetable soup staring in my head. I was looking for water leaf, but they didn't have fresh water leaf, so that was why I bought the frozen one I just showed you guys. The thing is, I was supposed to do a proper haul, unpacking whatever the African foodstuffs I bought, but like I said, I had a deadline. There's a training I was doing and I needed to finish before a certain time, so I didn't bother doing all these unpacking, unboxing. It was even my husband that helped me pack, like put them away. Yeah, so yeah, that was why I didn't do the unpacking, unboxing. But maybe when next we go African shopping, I'll carry you guys along and I'll also do the unpacking and unboxing. I promise you guys that's okay, because I know you guys enjoy it a lot. And yeah, I also bought what is this one? Plantain. Yeah, so I bought this for plantain. So this is my husband put some things away, so the ones I'm showing you guys are just the ones that are just lying around in the kitchen, because I don't want to start bringing everything out now. I don't have that strength. So I promise you guys a proper African foodstuff unpacking haul very soon. We also bought semo, so we bought this semo and palm oil. My palm oil is almost finished, so we bought palm oil, and we also bought gari. Yeah, we bought, was it 2 packs? I think it was 2 packs. My husband has already poured this one in here, so I think the one is sorry. So yeah, every other thing has been put away. I can't start bringing that. So these are the ones that were just around the kitchen. Yeah, and also pepper. So yeah, this is the pepper. These peppers are so fat, so big. Can you guys see how fat? I don't know if you guys can see it. So this pepper is so big. So we bought pepper, and yeah, we also bought this Maggi. I was looking for I didn't see no chicken. I saw ordinary but I wanted no chicken. I didn't see that one. So was it spices? I thought it was chicken. Yeah, we bought this. So yeah, I think if you enjoyed this particular unboxing, I know it's not giving how my unboxing used to be, but don't worry guys, I promise you guys a proper unboxing next time we go African shopping. Yeah, so please be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, like this video at this point, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by.
So yeah, this is Adaise's fruit to school, and this one is Soso's own. So this is Adaise's water bottle as well, and this is Soso's own. But Soso is not taking her own to school, so I'll keep her own in the fridge. Adaise will grab hers to school. These girls are shouting upstairs. Hey baby!
Hey, mommy!
So can we see the shoe? Oh, is that your new shoe?
And look at the heart.
Oh, do you like your new school shoe? So beautiful. Let's see.
It's sparkly.
Wow, let's see your school shoes. 8 pounds. They're really lovely. Oh, I love these shoes.
Come on.
Oh. All right, come on, pop in. We'll get the scissors and...
Cutting.
All right, baby. Go on. Pop your leg in your shoes. Woohoo!
It's not hurting.
It's not hurting, yeah?
Yes.
So lovely.
It's not hurting on my
Oh, yeah, pop your
toe.
leg. Woohoo! Look at that school girl. Mama, is it hurting?
No.
Is it comfortable?
Yes.
All right, carry your head muff and your bag.
Bye, guys. I'm going to school.
Bye, guys. You're going to school, yeah? Go on, babes. Be sure to grab your jacket. Go on, baby. Go on.
You said there ain't no reason that I sit here every day, waiting for the moment I will feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we walk to
What's that shiny stuff? Is that my new tablet?
Yeah, you So it's a turn now.
Sassy, are you happy? I'm so happy, Sassy. Open it,
Shitsa, your tablet is here.
Open it, please.
You want to unbox it now? Hey, I see the hot. I'm cooking now. Let's eat when we finish eating. Sweet sir,
Yes.
are you happy, love? Cool, mom.
Thank
So what will you tell mommy?
you. Thank you, mommy.
You're welcome, baby. Yeah, that's okay. When we finish eating, we unbox it. Okay, sweet sir?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, mommy. Let's do something.
So what is that one? They may yoga and the tablets, butter. Oh my God.
Next time now to play. Hey guys, look at my tablet. It's my hair.
Okay, so what do you want to do, girl?
Unbox it.
What do you want to do?
Unbox it. I'm so excited for Susan's tablet.
Yeah, you're so excited for Soso's tablet. So are you ready to unbox?
Yes, I guess
Go on, love. Go on, love.
It's my turn.
Let's see.
It's a bit hard.
It's a bit hard, yeah?
Yeah, how do we open
So
it?
wait, let me help you.
Because I get.
You're so excited. It's not your tablet and you're so excited. So are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, I'm so excited for Soso. Hey, you party. Hey. Wait.
Wow.
It's too long.
Wow. Open it.
Wow.
And
No,
it's very squashy.
Make sure we don't need the scissors.
Hey, that looks like Susan's tablet.
The other one, yeah?
Yeah,
It's
it's
the
got
same.
this stuff.
Yeah, it's the same make, the same video. I liked that tablet.
Take it fast. Susan needs to open it. Okay, Susan, we need to lift this up. It's a bit hard. Susan's tablet. My tablet!
Oh,
It's so tiny.
this is turn into the vlog. Show guys. Oh,
Oh, Sis, I love it.
So do you love your tablet?
On it. Yes, mommy.
Wait now.
It's so beautiful and cracky, love.
So what are the things inside? You are doing unboxing. You show everything inside so that when someone wants to buy it, the person will know what to buy. So this is like is it a sticker?
We need to guess the animals.
Yeah, it's a sticker. So this is the what?
Manual?
Yeah, the manual.
No, this looks like a bag.
It's like a bag, yeah? Oh, so it's so cute. And I like the pouch. Even if it falls down, it will not.
Mommy, look.
Oh, so this tablet is so cute. You like it?
We just need to charge it.
Yeah, we need to try, but we'll on it by here.
Yes,
so let's on your tablet. See, it's coming on.
That means it doesn't need charging.
We'll still charge it now because it's new. So where is the charger?
There's no charger. Oh, there's the charger.
We hold this carton. So this is the charger head. You're not showing guys. Me show guys.
Here's the charger, guys.
The charger head. And this is the USB cord.
Mommy, look.
Woohoo! So tablet. So I like your tablet, yeah? So this is the cord. That's a Type-C cord, yeah? And this one is a what? What's this? I don't know. I get this thing a lot, but I don't know what this thing is. Okay. I think it's also.
And where's the Casio?
I don't know. We'll figure it out. So we need to install some apps for you. So this is the YouTube. There's no YouTube Kids here. We need to put YouTube Kids, okay?
Mama, that song, la 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 la.
I will put YouTube Kids for you here. We'll sign in because we need to sign in. It's a new tab. You need to connect the internet and then we sign in, okay? So you go and give your daddy will connect your internet